Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Calmlish English. This is your safe space to rest. This is your quiet corner of the night. Here you practice English with peace. Here you listen with calm. Here you heal with soft words. Our channel has one simple purpose: to help you practice English before sleep and to help you fall asleep with gentle, healing content. No stress, no rush, only simple English, only a warm voice, only comfort. Tonight's theme is the gentle power of rest. Because many of us forget. We forget how important rest is. We think we must always do more. We think we must always go faster. We think we must always be strong. But real strength is soft. Real strength knows when to rest. Real strength is gentle. So tonight we will remember. We will remember the gentle power of rest. Take a slow breath in. Hold it softly. Now let it go slowly. Again, breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Breathe in peace. Breathe out hurry. With every breath, you arrive in this moment. With every breath, you arrive in this safe space. You have done enough today. Yes, you have. Even if you feel you didn't finish everything. Even if you feel you could have done more. Even if you feel you were not perfect. It is enough. You are enough. The day is complete. Say softly to yourself, I have done what I could. I can let the rest go. I can rest now. Imagine a gentle tree. It stands tall in the forest. It grows slowly. It does not hurry. It does not force itself. It just rests in the earth. It just drinks from the rain. It just breathes with the wind. And still the tree grows strong. And still the tree is alive. And still the tree is beautiful. You are like the tree. You do not need to rush. You do not need to push. You do not need to prove. You can rest. And in rest, you grow. In rest, you heal. In rest, you find gentle power. Take another slow breath. Feel your body on the bed. Feel your head on the pillow. Feel the blanket over you. The bed holds you. The pillow supports you. The blanket protects you. You are safe. Now imagine a soft light above you. It shines gently. It is warm and calm. It is not strong. It is not harsh. It is soft like the moon. This light covers you. This light protects you. This light whispers, you are safe. You are loved. You can rest. Let the light stay with you. Let it comfort you. Let it guide you into sleep. Sometimes we feel guilty for resting. We say to ourselves, I should do more. I should not be lazy. I should be stronger. But those voices are not kind. Those voices are not true. Because rest is not lazy. Rest is wise. Rest is healing. Rest is power. Say softly to yourself, I give myself permission to rest. My body deserves rest. My mind deserves rest. My heart deserves rest. These words are true. These words are kind. Now imagine the ocean. The waves move slowly. They go out. They come in. They breathe like you breathe. The ocean does not hurry. The ocean does not rush. The ocean flows with time. You are like the ocean. You can move slowly. You can breathe deeply. You can rest gently. Think of your body now. It has worked for you all day. Your feet have carried you. Your hands have helped you. Your eyes have seen so much. Your heart has kept beating. Thank your body. Thank your breath. Thank your heart. Say softly, "Thank you, body, for today. Thank you, breath, for today. Thank you, heart, for today." Now let them rest. Let them be soft. Let them be calm. There is gentle power in slowing down. There is gentle power in silence. There is gentle power in stillness. When you rest, you give yourself love. When you rest, you give yourself kindness. When you rest, you give yourself healing. Now, close your eyes slowly. Feel the night around you. It is quiet, it is calm, it is safe. The stars shine above. The moon watches kindly. The night holds you. You are not alone. You are never alone. Say softly in your heart, "I am safe. I am calm. I am resting. I am healing." Repeat these words gently. Feel them grow inside you. Feel them become true. My dear friend, remember this. The world does not end if you rest. Your worth does not shrink if you rest. You are still enough. You are still loved. You are still worthy. Rest is not weakness. Rest is strength. Rest is gentle power. Take one more deep breath. Let it go softly. Let your body sink into the bed. Let your eyes feel heavy. Let your heart feel light. The day is done. The night is here. You can rest. This is Calmlish English. This is your safe place. This is your healing. This is your rest. Good night, my dear friend. Good night.